Hi, welcome back to our next training session. I am Mitendra Kumar Shah, pharmaceutical compliance consultant, CGMP trainer and auditor from NADH Plus GXP Compliance Services. Today, I am here with you for discussion and a short training on investigation process. First of all, why we need to be trained on investigation process? Because as per EU guide, appropriately trained and experienced personnel should be responsible for managing complaint and quality defect investigations. On the basis of review of some inspectional observations, it is observed that the firm is lacking the investigation procedure or efforts are not made to identify the root cause, or all the investigations revealed the human error only as the root cause, or after getting one root cause, investigation is stopped and no efforts are made further to find out other root cause. Hence, we need to make effective use of all investigation tools for approaching towards compliance. Today, we will discuss and make you understand about different investigation tools and further how we can record them in the investigation report. The first investigation tool is brainstorming. As you all aware that in the brainstorming session, a team of the people, preferably from different faculty, will sit together. They will have the brainstorming, or you can say a great discussion, challenge each other so as to find out the root cause of the problem. Are you recording the evidence of brainstorming session in your investigations? How you can record the brainstorming sessions? Yes, you can record in the form of minutes of meeting with the signature of all attendees and should be attached with the investigations. In some cases, you may have a discussion on the teleconference. In such a case, you can have a teleconference ID in the investigation report specifying the date, time and duration with the personnel involved in the brainstorming session. The next tool is 5 why technique. This technique is used for investigation as well as interrogation purpose also. In this technique, you can ask different type of questions, means why, what, how, when, etc. to get the answers. Further, you have to evaluate these answers with respect to other document evidence, camera recording or similarity between the answers from the multiple persons, so as to verify whether the answers are genuine or not. The question should be recorded in the form of question and answer. However, it should be clear that the person getting interrogated should not write the answers. There should be a separate person called scribe who should be continuously recording questions and answers independently. After that, all person can sign on the question and answer form. It is just like a similar way the cops are filing the FIR or complaint. The person goes on speaking the things while the independent cop go on writing the FIR. After that, the person puts the signature on the FIR. The third investigation tool is flow charting, where you can chart each process flow for the sequence of steps or history of the events occurred, and you can further evaluate each step of this process. It will help you to understand at which stage you need to do the investigation and where you can skip the investigation process. This process flow will help you to justify the investigation focus area. For example, if you got a complaint of broken tablets, you need to investigate on granulation, compression, coating and packing process. Correct? But if you got a complaint of broken tablet where the broken part is completely uncoated, that means the tablet is broken at the end of the coating or unloading or further packing operation. In such a case, you can plot the chart, write the possibilities, and on the basis of actual problem, you can focus in the right direction. The next investigation tool is fishbone diagram. Here, you can plot the main problem in horizontal line and plot all the possible or probable causes on the horizontal line, which can lead to the main problem. The benefit of this investigation tool is you are not working to get a single root cause. You are considering all the possibilities during this investigation. If you could not find out the root cause, you can evaluate most probable cause, and on all the probable causes, you need to take corrective and preventive action. The last investigation tool is affinity diagram. Many companies are following this tool, but nobody is recording it in the investigation report. In case of some severe problem, the investigation team will be broken down into different sub-teams, where a specific sub-team will focus on specific aspect of the investigation. For example, a sub-team of quality and engineering will focus only on equipment maintenance, qualification and performance, while other sub-team of analytical QA and quality control will focus on analytical aspects only. You can have such a multiple sub-teams based on the nature of the problem. Finally, the outcome of all sub-teams is collated or compiled. This affinity diagram helps to investigate in a faster way and to identify multiple root causes from the multiple sub-teams. With this, just a quick recap, we discuss about what is the European guide requirement for investigation, inspectional observations related to the investigation, different investigation tools, for example, brainstorming, 5-why technique, flow charting, fishbone diagram, affinity diagram, etc. I would like to tell you that you should not stick to specific investigation tool. You can use multiple tools to get the root cause or multiple root cause. Many people asked us about what services we provide. I would like to inform you all that we provide audit and compliance services which include all these services. If you are on the way for facing the regulatory audits or preparing the compliance report or need any specific training, without wasting time, you can contact us through the numbers or the email displayed on the screen. I request you to share this video to your colleagues so that they can also get benefit with this video. Finally, you can appreciate my efforts by subscribing my YouTube channel. It's absolutely free. If you are interested in other topic, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much and ensure all-time compliance.